Well, hi. Now, I'm going to test the Nuvi5000 for you. I'm going to show you how much time it takes to boot up. I'm going to run a timer with this on my phone. At the same time, I have connected up a rear view camera. That's a Boyo camera. And both this product have been bought on eBay. And I just wanted to run through the clarity of the picture, the time taken to boot up, and the general feel of the GPS. So from the time I plug in, I'm going to plug in now, and we will see how much time does it take to basically boot up. So I'm just going to switch on the timer, and the timer is right now in my hand, and I'm going to now plug in the GPS. Okay, here we go. So it's 43 seconds. Thirty seconds. Okay, so approximately it has taken around 45 seconds for this to start up. May basically happen faster than this, but right now this is the time that this GPS is taking. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this off to a reverse. I have plugged in, if you can see here, there's not enough light. So I'm going to take this off for you. Alright, so here is the AV input. Now I have used a normal cable, that is a normal audio cable with two RCA outputs, as I bought an RCA cable with three outputs, that is one video and two audio, and that didn't work very well. The pin was too thick, it was just not going in, so I just switched this on. And now let me just move to a reverse. Okay, so now you can see it is already shifted to reverse, and when I move the gear back, the shift lever back to parking, it will not come on. The problem with this GPS is that the moment this GPS starts up, if at that time you do not accept the agreement, the GPS will switch on to the rear view input. However, after you shift the lever back to parking, or let's say drive, the GPS will blank out, so you'll have to restart the GPS. So what I'm going to do this time when it starts up, I'm basically going to agree on the terms and conditions in the initial setup when it starts up, and then you will be able to see that it switches back to the GPS mode after I shift to basically parking or drive. So here I go, here I have agreed, and now I'm going to shift to reverse. Okay, so here it goes, and I'm just going to move the car so that you can see. Right, so I'm just going to move it to drive, and here it goes. Now I'm going to move the car forward, and again put it to reverse. Again it shifts back, and if I put it back to parking, it'll again come back to its own position. So this is pretty much. Thank you.